What is up, everybody? Thanks for clicking. We've got a check engine light on, and it turns out the gas cap needs to be replaced. So I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. Before we start, click that like button, subscribe to the channel, did lots of home projects around the house, saving you time and money. Share this with somebody that you know. And if you're interested in turning your hobbies and skills into real cash, just like I did, I'm going to show you how to make your own YouTube channel. Check out those numbers right there. This is real cash for my family and me, and I'm going to show you step by step how to do what I am doing. I've got a free course and a master's course. Check the link in the description below. All right, so we've got the new gas cap ordered, and I went online and I found, the model and the make, and I'll put links in the description below. For this one, you always want to check to make sure that the model that you have, the gas cap obviously fits. So I found a pretty inexpensive one on Amazon. The actual one was going for like, I don't know, 35 bucks or so. This one was like $8, and it's pretty much the exact same thing. So we're gonna get the old one removed. I've got a flathead screwdriver, and we're gonna pop out where it pins on to the gas cap door. Yours might come out a different way, of course. This is a Subaru, and this is how mine is removed. And once that's unpinned from the door, you can twist off the gas cap and dispose of that as you need to. Now the new one, we come over here and we tighten it on, and it's got a click, right? And we're gonna flip that around just a little bit so that can move freely. And then the next job is to anchor it within that same hole, right? So pretty simple. We're just gonna reverse it. Now this cap comes with these different pins, and the idea is to find the right size pin. And you just kind of pop it in one of those holes. Or actually, we're gonna use that one, because that's gonna fit a little nicer. And that's gonna secure it, I think, pretty well. We'll test it out here, imagining we're filling it up, and we take off the cap. It should swing freely without falling out. And there's enough room. Yeah, that looks, I think, pretty good. So that is how I am replacing the gas cap. And you'll wanna watch that for a good couple of weeks, several fill-ups to make sure that everything is working well. And after some time, that actually turned off the check engine light on my dash, but that's another story. Hopefully this video has helped you out. Thanks.